Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I am bringing to you my boy's large Easter basket. And as you can see, this basket is loaded. So over here we have our popcorn Twix bag, as well as our Cheez-Its. Getting rid of some of that Valentine's candy. There's those Swedish fish. And it matched the color scheme, so it fit in perfectly. I put some Starburst on the front of that, and we can't forget our Peeps as well as our Rice Krispie treats. Now, what little boy doesn't want to brag that he's got bubblegum chewing crowns, bubblegum crowns, and those Airheads? We all know those kids' favorite Airheads were those white mystery ones. So I tried to make that stand out a little bit more. Actually put 2 of the white ones in there. Then we can't forget our fluffy cotton candy because it's in that nice big bright yellow bag that matches this container perfectly. Well, I wanted to balance the orange with the Frisbee, so I put the orange bubble blower on the other side. And of course, our yellow blowgun for bubbles. I've included an egg in there, and it is a carrot egg with Skittles and Starburst in them. And this basket has the LED gaming microphone in it. Something I thought a little boy would love. Since we have I have the LOL smartwatches, but I couldn't find anything for the little boys. So I found these gaming microphones and decided, okay, LOL mics for the girls, gaming mics for the boys. And then I just packed some activities in there, as well as some coloring books. I put some colored pencils in there. And I think this will make a great gift for a little boy. Please tell me what you think about this basket in the comments. And this is one of my Dare to Be Differents, as I did include things that I got off Temu. Not everything in this basket was from the dollar store. There's some Sam's Club in here as well. I think this basket turned out amazing. And I'm going to wrap it up. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Be a blessing. Bye-bye.